Making clear ice balls is easy to do at home. Using distilled water is recommended to get the clearest ice in your final product. Boil the water and let it cool for 5 minutes before boiling it a second time to remove any remaining impurities in the water. Tray molds are best for clear ice and come with an insulated cooler box. Sphere molds are the cheapest option to make ice balls, but they may freeze cloudy due to lack of insulation. So if you use this kind of mold, place it on top of an insulated thermos in the freezer to improve the chance of crystal clear ice. Just choose a short thermos with a diameter barely smaller than the mold. Fill it up with water and put the sphere mold on top so the whole is submerged in the water. Fill whatever molds you choose up to the fill lines and let them freeze for at least 24 hours. To remove the ice balls from the molds, gently separate the halves of the sphere mold or run cold water over the molds to loosen the ice inside. Store the ice balls in a resealable bag in the freezer to maintain their quality, or use them right away in your drink of choice.